Okay, welcome back students. Today, see, we are going to start from question number 6. The chapter is triangle and its property. Yes, in my last class, I have done till question number 5 and this is the question number 6. You see, a particular triangle is given. ABC is a triangle. Yes, a relations between angle A, angle B and angle C is given. And using this relation, we need to find the measure of all the three angles. Okay. This is a similar question that we have done in earlier questions, like 4 and 5 years. It is yes. In 5, see, similar pattern of this question given. So what we will do here? We will consider this equation equal to a particular variable. Okay, and the common variable is x. Okay. See, pi of angle A is equal to 4 times of angle B is equal to 6 times of angle C. Let us consider everything will be equal to x. So compare this part with this part with this, and this part with this. Now, pi of angle A will be equal to x. So angle A will be x by 3. 4 of angle B is equal to x. So angle B will be x by 4. Similarly, angle C will be x by 6. Okay. Now you apply the property that you have got to a triangle. Okay. The sum of the angles of the triangle is equal to 180 degree. That particular property you apply. Now, if we know angle sum property, angle A plus angle B plus angle C equals to 180 degree. Now put the value that we have attained here in the respective places of the angles. Now angle A, instead of using angle A, we will write x by 3, here x by 4, here x by 6. We will do 180. Fine. Then take the LCM. The LCM common, least common multiple of 3, 4, 6 will be 12. Because 12 is the smallest number that is easily divisible by all the 3. That is 4, 3 and 6. So the LCM will be 12. Okay. It is 3, 4. 4x plus 3x plus 2x equals to 180 degree. Fine. Calculate this. 7, 8, 9, that is 9x by 12 equal to 180 degree. Nine 1 the 9, 20. Okay. And the value of x will be 20 into 12. Too much. Wait, okay. 1 second. Yes, it will be 240. 240. Okay, the value of x is coming to 240 degree. Now, using this x, find out value of angle A. The angle A was x by angle A was x by 3. Angle B was x by 4. Angle C was x by 6. Now put the values of x here, you will find the answer. Okay. This will be 240, 80 degree, 60 degree, 40 degree. Yes, 140, 41, 80. Fine. Okay. Now come to question number 7. You see. Question number 7. There are two figures given. Okay, there are two questions in question number 7. A particular figure is given. Rhombus type of figure is given. 7 ABC. The question is saying using one or more triangle, find angle. Question number 1 is angle DAB plus angle ABC plus angle BCD plus angle CDE. Okay. See, there are two triangles. Okay, this is one triangle ABC, the triangle ABC, the triangle. From this triangle, we will find DAB, this entire triangle angle, and ABC yes, BCD this entire, CDA. Okay. How will do this? In order to find ADB, you do one thing, split this angle in two parts. Now, instead of writing ADB, we can write angle BAC plus angle BAC. Yes, BAC and BAC combined to give DAB, this particular angle. Now come to ABC. ABC is one angle plus angle ABC, and BCD is this entire angle. So this angle plus this angle BCA plus angle BCA. Okay. I think we have done similar question earlier. This is done. BCD. C is done. CDA is left. Now from all these angles, try to find if we can find this angle. If we are able to find this and this angle, then this angle plus this angle will give 180 degree. This angle plus this angle will give 180 degree. Okay, the entire value will be 360. That is angle DCA. Find DAC. Yes, this is DAC. BAC is another. This another triangle. Try to find this. DCA is there. Yes, DCA is there. I adding this angle DAC plus angle DCA plus angle CDA. Yes, this is one triangle. Above triangle. Find this. Write this plus angle BAC plus angle ABC plus angle BCA. Okay, these are not triangle. The angles are properly says that the sum of all angles of a triangle is 180. So this is 180 plus this is 180. That is, and the total measure will be 360. Fine. This is the answer. 7B you do by yourself. Okay, 7B you try by yourself. I will come to question number 8. Question number 7B, similar type of question you try to arrange. You try by yourself. Then what will happen? That will be one kind of practice. If I do all the questions for you, then you will have a better learning and nothing else. So it's better for you to give a try. You try by yourself, then you know your skills. Then you know how much you know and how much you do. Okay? Fine. Yes, question number 8 you see. 8-1. There is a triangle ABC. ABC is a right angle triangle. ABC is a right angle triangle. ABC is a right angle triangle. perpendicular on BC. It is perpendicular on BC and ABC is a right angle triangle at A. At A, that means this is A, this is B, this is C. Now AD, we need to draw AD, that is perpendicular. Perpendicular means 90 degree. Okay, it will be 180 degree. Fine. Also, angle B is 55. This particular angle is 55. Yes. Find angle BAD. BAD. This is the BAD. We need to find this angle. CAD. Yes. CAD. This angle we need to find. And angle ACB. ACB. This entire angle. Okay. How we are going to do this? First of all is in triangle BAD. See, angle B equal to 55 degree. This 90 degree. Angle ADB equal to 90 degree. Angle AB only. Angle BAD only. Very simple. BAD is how much? 180 degree. Plus this angle minus this, the entire sum from 180 degree to get this answer. One 45 degree. 35. So this angle is 35. Fine. Now try to find this and this. Now see this. Angle is, this is angle A. This is angle A. Entire angle is 90 degree because it is right angle triangle. And this part is 35. How much will be this? See, I got 10 marbles, okay? Total I have 10 marbles. I get 5 or 3 marbles on other one. How much marble is left with me? I have 10. I will leave 3 marbles. How much is left? We are going to subtract this. Okay, that's 7. Similar case here also. This entire angle is A. Entire angle is A. This entire angle is A. This small part is 35. How much is this? This is 90 degree. This is 35. So 90 minus 35 degree. Okay. Similarly, we can do another one. Like therefore, angle. Which angle is the axis? CAD. Yes, angle CAD. Yes, angle CAD. CAD is angle A, entire angle, minus angle DAD. That is 90 degree, since it is a right angle, minus how much? 35 degree. Okay, it will be 55 degree. Fine. See, this is 55 now. This is 90. Okay. Same thing is happening here. This is 90. This is 90. This is 55. This is 55. This is 35. This is also 35. So angle ACB is 35 degree. This is coming out. Angle ACB is 35 degree. You observe the figure very nicely. This is also having same measurement. This is also having same measurement. This is 90. This is 90. Since this is 35, obviously this will be also 35. Okay. There is no use of calculating this. We can directly write this. Okay. Are you understanding? Yes. Yeah, I'll see 8 to there are 2 questions. Okay, I'll try to solve only one. That is, I'll go for figure 2. Figure 1 you try by yourself. Figure 2 I will be doing. And see, there could be an objective type test in the second one. There might be 20 questions, and all the questions will be of objective type. Okay, you will get the notification soon, and questions will be coming from the second term syllabus. Suppose you are having today your exam. Yesterday you had a maths video. Okay, that will also get counted. Fine. So be prepared. I am using this figure. A, B, C. It is D. It is 90. This is how much? Now this is Y. Y, there Y. This is 40. Okay. This is X. This is 60. This is the equation. Find a lettered angle in figure 2. Okay, we need to find this angle and this angle. See this angle is, this triangle is A, B, C. Okay, this is 90 degree. This is 40. How much is this? We know this angle plus this angle plus this angle is 90 degree. Sorry, 180 degree. This is already 90 degree. So we need more 190. Okay, this is 40. Okay, so this will be 50 because 40 plus 50 is 90 degree. So angle C will be 50 degree. That is angle C, that is Y angle. Y is 50 degree. Simple. Here is C. This will be 90 degree. Base 60, 150. 90 plus 60 is 150. How much is left? 30 is left. So X will be 30. Fine. This is the way how we do this. The answers are given. Not given. Okay, try to do by yourself. Okay. This is also giving. First one, the first question is also easy, not so hard. You can do by yourself. Now we will discuss 9C. Is it possible to have a triangle in which two of the angles are right angle? No. We cannot have a triangle having measuring 90 degree. It cannot be 90 degree because this will be 0 degree. And if it is 0 degree, this will be not like this way. It will be something else like this. Parallel lines are 0 degree because there is no intersection between them. An angle is formed between when two lines intersect each other. Okay. This was a line, this was a line, this was a line. They are intersecting at a 49 angles. That's why angles are formed. 0 degree means this is the line, this is the line. It is not intersecting, so angle is 0. Second is false. Two of angles are equal. Yes, we can have one if it is a right angle triangle, then two angles will be obviously acute. Two angles are obtuse. Can we have two angles obtuse? No, we cannot have. Each angle is less than 60 degree. No, that is also impossible. If all the angles are less than 60 degree, suppose this is 50, this is 50 or this is 50, we cannot have such type of triangle because the measure of all the angles has to be 180 degree. It is less than 180 degree. It is the 30 degree lessened by 180 degree. So it is impossible. Each angle is greater than 45. Each angle is greater than 45. Okay. Greater than 45. They are not specific. Yes. One can be 90 degree. It is greater than 45. One can be 50 degree. Sorry, 60 degree. Or 50 degree. Two angles can be 50 degree and one angle can be 80 degree. Yes, it is possible. 9, 5 is possible. Each angle is equal to 60 degree. Yes, it is an equilateral triangle. Each angle is greater than 60 degree. No. We cannot have a triangle in which all the three angles are more than 60 degree. It is impossible. Fine. Now come to question number 10. In 10 you see there are three figures. We need to find some of the angles. This is a triangle. This tan A, huh? This tan A, 1. A, L, B, C, this is M. This is 35 degree. Okay. This is 65 degree. Okay. Find angle AML. We are asked to find this angle. AML. This is number 1. See the diagram. ABC is a triangle. Okay. In this triangle, we are asked to find angle AML. Now, how we are going to find AML? Is there any symbol of 90 degree? No, there is no any symbol of 90 degree. Then how we are going to do this? Are you saying? Okay, for this you should know one thing. Suppose these are two parallel lines. Okay? There is a particular line. It is passing through these two lines. This is known as transversal. Okay, your transversal paths. This is a transversal. Then this angle and this angle are equal. They are known as corresponding angles. Corresponding angles. You are familiar with this term? Yes. These are called corresponding angles. Same concept we are going to apply here. You see this. This is a line CD and this is a line. This is ML. Okay, these are two parallel lines. This is a transversal. Okay, if this is a transversal, then if this angle is equal to this angle, okay, or we can say this angle is equal to this angle. Same thing. If this angle and this angles are corresponding angles, okay, they are vertically opposite angles. Okay, if you have not got all these terms, you will definitely get. These are vertically opposite angles. They are also known as alternate angles. Okay, suppose this angle and this angle is known as alternate angle. This is known as corresponding angle. This is corresponding angles. This angle and this angle are called vertically opposite angles. These are also same. Okay, this and this is vertically opposite angle. This is corresponding angle. This is alternate angles. Such type of properties are there. Here also we are going to use the corresponding angles to find angle N, which is equal to angle C, because it is corresponding. We need to find the value of angle C, and if we find the value of angle C, obviously this will be equal, and this angle and this angle will also be equal, because they are also what you know all them. Sorry, corresponding angles. Fine. Yes. For this, now we are going to find the measure of angle C. You see the measure of angle C. Angle C, that is whole triangle, angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degree. This is given 100. These two sum up to 100. Angle C equal to 180 degree. That is angle C equal to 80 degree. Okay, fine. Angle C is 80 degree. If angle C is 80 degree, since angle C is equal to angle AML. Why is it equal? Because it is corresponding. CORRESPONDEN. You have to write in this manner, okay? You copy. So, therefore, this angle will be 80 degree. Fine. Yes. See question number 2. TSQ. Find TSQ. TSQ. Same thing we are going to apply. The same concept is given here. This is TS PQ. This is PQ. Above is R. PSQ. This angle here. Same thing. Okay. This is the parallel line. This is the transverse. Fine. So this angle and this angle will be equal to this because they are corresponding. This angle and this angle will be equal to this because they are corresponding. Same thing we have to apply. Now how we are going to do this? First of all, you do one thing. Try to find all the angles of this triangle. This is PQR, triangle PQR. P is given, particular angle is given. P is 40, R is 80. P is 40, R is 80 degree. So this is 60 degree automatically. Triangle C is 40 degree. Angle R is 80 degree. Therefore, angle Q is equal to 180 minus 120 is 60 degree. Automatically we can find this. That is this particular angle is 60 degree. Okay, fine. If this is 60 degree, then this is also 60 degree. This corresponds. But we are not asked to find this angle. We are asked to find this angle. How we are going to do this? Okay, see this is Q. This is R. Okay. In order to find this angle, we should find this angle. Now, what is the measure of this angle? See, this entire angle is straight angle. This is 180 degree. Entire is 180 degree. This is 60 degree. Okay. If this is 60 degree, this should be 180 minus 60 degree. That is 120 degree. If this is 120 degree, this is 120 degree. Now this angle and this angle is corresponding. So this is also 120 degree. Okay. TSQ, yes, TSQ. Fine. Yes. You do one thing. Try the third figure. Same concept you have to apply. Okay. I will continue my next video and finish the entire chapter. Okay. You study hard, okay, students. And if you have any doubt, you text me. Okay. Till then, bye bye.